Yo. Good morning, everyone. Sorry I'm a little late. Good, Nicholas. How you doing, my friend? Good to see you guys. Good morning, good morning. Alright. Let's see. Do have some nice SMT right here. Do have a nice SMT. Oh, we just swept out previous day high here. This is previous day high. Can you show me your configurations from Fibonacci? Yeah, so I have two different ways that I kind of draw my Fibonacci's. One for standard projections, right? And then one for balancing ranges. So for standard projections, right, do you know how to basically find the change in the state of delivery? So I basically measure for projections the change in the state of delivery. So we're here on the 1 minute right now. Change in the state is a series of up close or down close candles that tapped into the high time frame PD array or swept out liquidity. So as we can see, this one right here swept out this liquidity. I bet you there's an imbalance right here in this leg. So we're going to take out the series of down close candles that swept out the liquidity and tapped into the high time frame PD array and measure that out. So it's a lowest point to the body, right? And that's a CISD. Then we'll go into the settings of the Fibonacci tool. And I like to measure out -4, -3.5, -4.5, 1, -1, -2.5, and -2. So then those are kind of where the projections line up, right? Also, big is 2.25. So -2.25. So -2.25 is kind of where reversals happen from, right? And where we're going to get kind of like a retrace from. And then at like -4 and -4.5, that's where final expansion and full move is going to be. So as you can see, this 2.5 offered us the retracement, right? It's pretty crazy how that lines up also with this liquidity. So once we sweep out this liquidity, right, we actually, fully deliver to these standard deviations and then start dropping back, right? Now on the opposite side, this is how we now formulate ranges, right? So now once we deliver and have this nice strong reaction right here, measure out this range right here, right? So lowest point of the wick to the top of the wick right here. And we can see that, equilibrium lines up right here, 705 lines up right here, and we know that this is the OTE range. Look at this, comes down, taps 705, holds 705 perfectly, and then delivers up to the drawn liquidity, which is previous day high, right? That we've been completely displacing towards. And that's kind of how I measure it out, right? So -2.5, we see that 2.25 lines up right here, which offers us the retracement, which delivers back down to 0.705, and then the full complete draw has been hit. Yo.
Yo.
What up?
Yo, what up? Chilling.
Lorenzo, I don't really trade OTE, but I know how to look for it and watch it and stuff. I really mainly trade IFVGs. I'll take trades out of OTE with an IFVG, IFVG is kind of just my confirmation. Nice SMT at previous day high right now. I'm kind of watching this.
Yeah.
I'm kind of watching this 5 minute right here. We did get the 1 minute, but I wasn't fully confident in it.
Yeah. Yeah, honestly, the 5 minute looks solid. Close.
If we get a nice solid candle close, we have a good amount of low resistance to come and take out. Bounce
Yeah,
like
honestly, at least in London.
yeah, at least to London. Balance like equilibrium of Asia, like to the Asia low to the high that we just put in.
Oh shit. Let me see. I was about to mark out EQ and see where that is. Yeah, it's valid.
You know.
Honestly, yeah, equilibrium below London. It would be solid coming out of this daily gap now.
Mhm. Oh, did we tap the daily gap? Oh crap!
Yeah.
No. Yep. Yeah, my puts are probably gonna expire worthless. I mean, I'm probably just gonna hold them because there's no reason in selling when they're only worth $100. But
I mean, that's fine. Side for 0.
bro, did you see New York last night?
Like the actual city or like the game?
Bro, the city. Like after?
Oh, I think I saw some like clips.
Bro, they were like it was bad, bro. They were like,
People from New York are not real, bro.
dude, they were actually like beating the shit out of people. Yeah. Yeah, I'm from New York. Lamb. But yeah, no, they were like, bro, it was bad.
Yeah, no, that's actually insane. And like if they end up winning the ring, then they're just gonna burn the whole city down,
Bro, they're gonna detach Long Island.
bro.
They're gonna go and get the Statue of Liberty and put it up in a fucking museum.
Yeah, nah, like New York fans have to be the only team that would like destroy their city in celebration of winning.
Yeah, right. Yeah, there was a chick that some girl got her hair lit on fire.
Jesus, what the?
Patty, let's go on Wednesday, bro. Let's go to the city. Yeah, no, that shit's crazy, bro. You're going
Hair lit on
Saturday.
fire.
Oh, they did force a game 5, right? Saturday's one? Game 5?
Yeah, I think so. But what's that? Says Tuesday. I think they play again on Thursday, probably.
Mm-mm. Yeah, it's a once in a lifetime experience. Wanna definitely check it out, honestly. What up, Hyman? Nah, no way we go to a game 7. That would be ridiculous. If they force a game 7, I might pull out all of my hair.
I mean, they might just.
Yeah, so coming out of we have SMT, we have a 1 hour, 15 minute, 4 hour, like a daily, everything right here we're coming out of. 1 minute gave us a nice change in the state, which was super nice, and the inverse, but this 5 minute would really, I feel like, do some damage if we close it, if we inverse it.
Honestly, I could see it. Maybe get this 15 minutes ESD as well.
All right. Yeah, this shit's moving right now.
Looks like I might don't. That 5 minute into flipping. Could send it. Looks like we should go down from London, but also it's kind of chopped.
Yeah. I mean,
Like,
that doesn't look the best, you know.
kind of just like accumulating. We also have CPI in the morning tomorrow. Let's see if we like chop around for today.
You know who Jackonomics is?
Yeah.
He literally just posted a video actually about CPI. It's like, dude, 8 months ago, I mean, you remember, bro. I was fucking
Yeah.
so giddy about CPI every single day. It's like, or every single time.
Yeah.
But now it just sucks. Like,
It's just patched now.
you think they actually changed something? Like,
I mean, nah. It's just like, I guess with everything else, I guess like no one cares about the CPI report.
that's fair, dude. Cause like, before I went to shit, I literally tested it for like 19 different CPIs, and they all delivered, bro. They were all W's.
I think it's because like any inflation's just priced in now already.
That's fair.
So CPI is like the inflation report, but like inflation's already pretty much fucked. So I think now it kind of just comes down to the next FOMC actually. The new Fed chairman's first FOMC.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see whether or not they want to cut rates. I mean, I know Trump's gonna try and make him cut rates. When is the next FOMC anyway? June 17th. Wonder if we leave that SMT in that daily gap or resweep back up.
I mean,
It'd be ideal to leave the SMT.
yeah, or form some sort of an internal SMT. You know, one pair takes out the range highs and one doesn't.
Yeah.
That would be beautiful.
Just some kind of confirmation off of like that divergence of there.
Mm-hmm. This is also, keep in mind, not previous day, but previous day equilibrium, right? Of that black candle.
Oh, you mean okay, like the equilibrium like that we tapped yesterday as well?
Yeah. So it's like the same area. We just came and reswept.
Like kind of just resweep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, really don't have like anything higher to target. I mean, previous week equilibrium, but that's like it's just a rebalance. I mean, technically we've kind of rebalanced this range already. I mean, we could possibly like resweep into previous week equilibrium, but I don't really see why we would have to.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and there's nothing. I mean, the only next draw above is just really like these low time frame like internal highs, like 4-hour gap fills. Realistically, it's just like a whole bearish leg, so it's gonna be hard to long
through any of it. Yeah, you're right.
But if you look, London's an unfilled 4 hours, so could go down for London to rebalance if we are bullish because it's an unfilled gap. If we want to keep staircasing. Super small 4 hour and then 4 hour order block there as well. Midnight open. So ideally want to see like this 4 hour sweep into this gap, end up holding, and then we just rebalance lower into this unfilled 4 hour, which is the London low.
Yeah, I like that 4-hour gap. Honestly, I really do.
Ideally, if we can get like the 15-minute like change in state and like this breaker, like that should send it for London.
I agree. No bottom wick on this 5-minute too.
Yeah, like that CIST would probably be like full confirmation.
100%.
And depending how the 5-minute closes, like you'd be able to take like the 5-minute inverse maybe in the form of that 15-minute CIST, depending how like where it closes.
What I've been like, not back testing, but like forward testing kind of is, so like when we make the change in the state, right? I've noticed how you know, like we'll come and tap the change in the state, or we'll dig pretty deep into it, right?
Mhm.
You know what I'm saying? Kind of.
Yeah,
Like when we first make the breaker, like we retrace pretty hard. If you
yeah,
measure out that leg that kind of created the change in the state, not the actual change in the state, but like the bullish leg that kind of, you know, formed the breaker and everything, we usually tap, you know, EQ or 705 perfectly of that leg.
yes. I think like teachers had said something about like order blocks or like basically CISDs and using the 50% mark of them
Yeah, honestly,
as like final area to be held.
it's really smart. So like, for example, like we're kind of expecting this 5 minute change in the state to get put in place. Like we
Mm,
just came and delivered up to equilibrium of this small little range right here perfectly, and inside of it was the 5 minute fair value gap.
right.
It's just
Yeah, because like it's just CE of like every like confluence that says like CE basically.
exactly, and it has to like rebalance to, you know, the range. You know, it has to rebalance equilibrium before it can
Yeah,
really
exactly. Yeah,
exhaust
and like
itself.
equilibrium works on like every price leg,
Hmm.
like even this small price leg, and then like it works on like the higher time frame, like the daily leg. It worked there too. It's pretty much just using like premium and discount of like ranges, and then you can use like premium and discount of like confluences. I think.
Yep. Hopefully we get something today.
Yeah, I mean, it would be nice if we just get like short straight down through all these lows. I definitely, the way it printed is kind of odd, but I mean, London basically accumulated, and then we kind of swept out like those highs like pre-market into that daily gap. So I mean, that could be the manipulation move,
Hmm.
like the higher time for manipulation.
Yeah, that's what I'm expecting honestly. And then the draw that we edged, we
Which one?
663, 666.
Let me see.
Remember we came
I
down.
like this internal right here.
Yeah, or well,
Or
not even the internal, the like far behind it. Remember we tapped the rejection block CE.
where on which time frame?
I think it was a daily. Was it the daily? Yeah, the
Oh,
daily.
okay, yeah, yeah, at the bottom, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, so the way that like even like on the lower time frames, right? If we're targeting a draw, and we get super close to that draw, and then edge it, and then, you know, rebalance, trade, you know, or retrace, like we,
Mhm.
you know, most likely come and slam back down for that draw. So I am kind of expecting that draw to happen. Obviously, you know, it may not work, but we'll see.
Yeah, I mean, so far, like for the most part, overnight is kind of expanded. I would expect us to like retrace somehow. I mean, overall, we're coming from a 4 hour overnight. But like,
Yeah,
this would be like the fourth candle in a row that'd be bullish.
yeah.
So far, it's just like it looks like a sweep. But honestly, I mean, if we come back up to previous day high and like start trading through it, I don't know, it'll just get kind of hard.
No, definitely. I mean, the only thing is, just to combat that and play devil's advocate, is just longing through these 1 hours and these 4 hours is just gonna be difficult. I probably won't.
Yeah,
I mean, if we get a retrace and then, you know, can use the high of day as break even to then slice through the fair value gaps, I'm totally in for that. But we would have to see some
yeah, it'd be the only way.
yeah, see some nice retrace or whatever.
Unless you long DS into the equal highs up here
True.
to be equal highs.
Who just fucking long, bro? Just pray for the best.
I mean, realistically, we're about to be right back into 30,000. Granted, I mean, the dump did send us back into 28. So we've already bought up, we've actually bought up 1,000 points from the bottom so far.
It's actually insane, bro.
That's disgusting. They can't just do that. Like, I don't get this. Yeah. We're, what, 3% on the week already on NASDAQ?
That's like
Elon's about to rug pull everyone, bro.
who? Elon?
Yes.
Really?
I don't see why everyone thinks there's so much money in SpaceX. There's no money in space.
So that's the thing, bro. So like, I mean, dude, you just do the opposite of what retail's saying, right? Everyone's like going crazy for this IPO. Fuck them, bro.
Mhm.
Shit's gonna, you know, everyone's gonna buy it, and then in 2 days from when it IPOs, it's gonna plummet. You know?
I mean, they're only like value. The only thing that holds like their value up or like gives their earnings like a good look is just Starlink. Other than that, they just spend more.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here's open.
Oh yeah.
Let's see.
Shit. Wow.
So we reswept the eye actually. Made an SMT internal there. All right, so let's see. So we got the resweep of the highs. We have SMT there. So now ideally, we want to see like the sell model start to form from this point.
Mm-hmm.
If it's gonna.
We failed to make that SMT on micros, but
Interesting.
I like that, the micro SMT.
Yeah, no, it's solid.
So,
Yes, it's looking a little discorrelated. Kind of see. Just broke the SMT there, but still have the SMT at the like daily gap overall.
mm-hmm.
So London's all the way down. I mean, could wait 3.5 minutes maybe for the 5 minute to flip still. We would create a new 5 minute CISD as well from that resweep.
Mm-hmm.
So we can maybe close the inverse and then close the CISD
Yeah,
or just plummet through it. Jesus.
Yeah, if we close this, I'm gonna probably take it.
I want to see ES start to correlate with this though.
I agree. That's extremely weird.
ES is like inversing its 5 minute.
Like what?
Yeah, it's pretty odd right here. Yeah, ES is like trying to make like a push higher, like for it looks like for its highs up there,
Mm-hmm.
possibly. But let's see. Yeah, it's like a weird print.
This 30-second honestly may not be terrible. Hold this 5 minute SMT at the lows, just continuing the overall trend of bullish. Yes, is obviously way stronger.
Yeah, ES is like buying up kind of crazy compared to where we're at in NQ.
Mm-hmm.
Complete opposite charts.
I'm just gonna sit on my hands, wait, be patient.
Yeah, I want to see them start to correlate before anything. I mean, the further we move down here, like London is still like 100 points from here. So
We still got some good room to go.
we just have to see ES start to come down and then we can still catch someone down towards London. I mean, if NQ's weaker, that works out anyway for short.
Yeah. I just definitely want to see. I just don't want NQ to be the lagging pair, you know?
Yeah. Bro, I think my entire like trade of eight like layout got reset. I mean, I can't trade these anyway because I already like half passed last night, but like, yeah, I'm gonna have to redo that later. Whatever. We're dumping here. Yeah, starting to correlate.
Dude, holy shit. Damn.
Yeah, nah. Ideally, I mean, if he is gonna catch up, we just need some kind of retrace on NQ here to like continue down. Just play continuation.
Wow, I missed it, bro, but even the 30-second, like at the top down, after we made the SMT market open, that shit was stupid clean.
Tinny probably took that shit.
Yeah, honestly, wow. Let's see if we get the signal here from Dodgy for this 5 minute close. I think
See,
we could, but it's just like
probably will. It's gonna be a quick ass close down though.
actually we didn't. I'm surprised. It might be
Hmm.
because of the break even spot. Because we closed it down.
Honestly, yeah, probably we came down through like these internal lows here would have been like the break even.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, there's no way I have to redo my entire trade. Like, to the point where they put the moving averages and everything back on the screen. Like, what is it?
I'm gonna try this long here.
But
Break even at this 2 minute. Break even here.
I like it. The solid candle right there.
See if this 30-second delivers. Beautiful, Nicholas. It's a beautiful trade, brother. SMT at high day.
Yeah, it's a weird ass SMT.
We got the 1 minute entry there. This thing looks strong, yeah.
Yeah, like a lot of volume coming in.
Come on, bull run it.
It's a good push.
I got it off at 7:48.
Let me see. Oh, you're targeting like high bear, right?
Yeah.
But
I could probably extend profits, but I'm just taking it low hanging.
yeah, I mean that's fine. The only thing higher would just be previous week equilibrium at 794.
Yeah. Come on.
Hmm. Spike. It should spike. It looks like it's just catching up with ES here.
Yeah.
And then ES is drawing towards previous day high
Mhm.
in this area.
Come on, run it.
Just one last push.
Close the 2 minute there, so it looks good.
Yeah, and there was no like 3 minute or anything. 2 minutes the highest time frame gap.
Yep. Don't break even me.
At the very like least, like a light tap into this 1 minute SMT, and then a reaction would be ideal.
Yeah. Oh, just like that. No.
If we can get, I mean, if it can come back up, break this recent high, 937 high,
Yeah.
should just spike through for the high of day.
Agreed, definitely.
Let's see. Wouldn't be bad if they swap strength here either for your sake.
Mhm.
Maybe swap strength for like NQ to catch up in this area.
Wow. It edged the break even. Oh no.
Jeez. Don't do it, NQ.
Oh no. unfortunate.
See what happens with this 1 minute. I do still think we could like still get shorts into London. Let me see. I don't know, it's just weird. I mean, ES looking like it's like starting to mirror NQ, which isn't that bad. From here, London's 98 points. You have Midnight right above London as well. Yeah, I'll kind of see. I don't know. It's just weird because overall the high time for SMT is still like in play, like in that like daily gap.
Yeah, this is.
It just kind of like printing weird, but I mean the day before CPI, I would expect us to do some odd shit.
Yeah.
And start engineering liquidity. Where are we coming out of this low time frame? 7:05 currently at the bottom of this 1 minute gap.
Okay. See if we get something out of this.
Would be like the last like area to bounce if we're truly gonna like start buying up from here.
Mm-hmm. We tapped the super small 1 minute BPR. I don't know if you see it.
Ooh, okay, yeah, I do see it. If you look at the 3 minutes of rejection wick, because this 3 minute wick is what swept out these like internal lows here.
Mm-hmm.
Technically, kind of a valid wick.
And it flipped bullish, right? That's considered like rejection or whatever.
Yeah, it'd be like a valid rejection block because it actually like rejected and closed bullish, like off of the sweep. And now we're wick filling it. We're OTs inside of that wick.
I'm gonna try it long one more time here.
But let's see.
Just close this 15-second again here. I like.
And ES is still like holding up overall as well.
Yeah.
Thing. Try some paper.
Dude, you see what I mean though? Like I like the longs, right? But then the leg that kind of delivers, we rebalance the 705 of that leg, right? And then really make the move up.
Yeah, it's like weird. You can't really predict it because it's like not every day that we like set up that way. It's like some days like the initial like reaction up just sends us, and then other days we end up coming back down and rebalancing like the very first move.
Yeah, that's why I don't mind taking honestly both. Like I took the break.
Yeah, it just ends up being like a re-entry.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, this was good. Come on.
Let's see.
There we go.
Yeah, so you'd be break even there, and then
Wow.
I have TP for previous week equilibrium on paper, but I mean just take profit wherever you feel it's necessary.
Beautiful.
You could also wait for ES to take out the relative equal highs if you haven't taken profit yet. 2 more points or 3 more points for ES.
That was actually so nice. Wow. That was so beautiful.
Yeah, actually. Like, wow.
That delivery was so clean. Fellas, if you caught that, put that in the successful trade chat.
Jeez, yeah, that was actually insane.
That was stupid.
1 minute gap, OTE with a 3 minute rejection wick. We even tapped 50% of that wick. Dude, we ticked 50%. Like it like came right down into 50%, but not quite.
Really?
But like Like I guess just because OT technically could hold us there.
Mhm.
I mean that was solid.
That was clean as fuck. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's coming up for the relative equal highs. I'm about to break that daily SMT. Honestly, I mean that was also a daily cycle SMT. At this point, this daily gap's gonna get flipped. We're going back to all-time highs.
I mean, dude, honestly, yeah.
I mean, technically, we're forming like a double bottom on the daily. I don't really use patterns, but on a high time frame, that works. In my head, if that daily gap's gonna send us that SMT, I would want to see hold like one of the pairs, not fill the gap, and then we come down.
Mhm. No, I agree.
So,
The fact that we're not.
but CPI could send us higher up into the gap. Like maybe we don't close it today, right? And then CPI tomorrow like sends us higher, and then maybe CPI ends up like starting a reversal down for the week.
It's
Very possible.
as well, you know.
Yeah. Here comes previous week equilibrium. That's where I have this TP set.
Yep. What is it? 790.
794.
Okay.
Should just fight through it here. It also aligned with 0.62 of the fib, that OT that marked out from the bottom.
Mhm.
So 0.27 was basically like the break even spot, like lined up with 5-day, and then 0.62 is previous week equilibrium. And no area based on the fib would be like 828 -1
But
that it marks up. But honestly, I'm sure if you take like this manipulation like we just had down like on the 1 minute, probably give you like better projection. There's TP there.
there we go. Fucking insane. Actually insane. Beautiful trading day.
Yeah, that was clean. Jeez, 0 drawdown on that trade.
Good shit, bro.
If only it was on Capital. Yeah, that was nice.
Alright, fellas. Hope you guys caught a piece of the pie.
Yeah, I mean, that's about it. Honestly, there's really nothing above us. We're just gonna be longing through like all these gaps now.
Mhm.
That was kind of like what ideally what you wanted, 5-day, and then we can target 5-day.
Alright, fellas. I'm gonna call it here. Let's go, Rohan.
Yeah, I'm down to pause it.
Set the limits if you can, bro. If you don't mind, you know. You don't need to prove anything to yourself. Just get it done. That's it. Alright, fellas. We will catch you guys tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Catch you boys in the morning.